Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Wednesday, and after this movement here, then today the price just kept on chugging upwards. So good solid movement. Now granted, a little bit of perspective needs to be put into play. I mean, I get it if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 5 minutes. Well, then yeah, for you the chart's looking a little bit rough. But for everybody else that cares about the big picture of things, the price, put in new highs, it's chipping away and building higher lows, and that's what you want to see. So one of the newer areas of support, what I would call the ideal level going forward, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.03. You can see multiple times this afternoon, the bears try to press down below there, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. So if the price can continue to hold above 203, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yes, staying above 203 would be awesome, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about that pink line right there, which on my chart is denoting the 200-period simple moving average. You can see right there it essentially acted as resistance, and then later on, a couple times both there and there, the price got up near it and then couldn't quite push through it. So while I'm not saying the price can't break above that level or anything like that, I'm just saying according to the story that the chart is telling us, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but also stay up above it. All in all, though, any way you look at it, the movement continues in a very nice, methodical fashion, and as long as the price continues to chip away with those higher lows, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.